Want to fortify your platform's security with WhatsApp verification codes, but you're not sure how? First, log into your Wati account. Look for the Contacts or Users section, depending on how your Wati setup is configured. It's usually on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click it. Now, you'll need to add the user you want to verify. Click on the Add Contact button, which is quite common. On the Add Contact form, fill in all the necessary information, but pay close attention to the phone number field. Make sure you enter the recipient's WhatsApp number exactly as it is, including the country code. This is super important for successful delivery. Now, navigate to the Templates section, sometimes called Message Templates. This is where you'll create the message that contains the verification code. Click on the Create Template button. Give your template a descriptive name, choose the appropriate category, usually utility, and select a message type according to your needs in your message body. Craft a message like your verification code is one. The one acts as a variable, which will be replaced by the actual code. It is inside of double brackets. Now, in your backend system, where you handle user authentication, generate a random verification code. Next, use Wati's API to send the templated message you just created. In your API request, you need to specify the recipient's phone number, the template name, and the code you generated to replace the variable. Double-check your Wati logs to confirm the message was sent successfully. The user should receive the WhatsApp message containing their verification code, and that's it. Simple and secure.